good.
So this is the sci-fi film and TV. It's worth a total of 15 points. So some questions will be 1 point, some are 2. Okay, depending on the level of answer you give me. Okay, so, and they've got a picture. So question 1 worth 1 point. Which 2008 animated film featured a waste allocation load lifter Earth class robot left behind to clean up a rubbish strewn planet Earth? Who's in there? We'll do a countdown. All right. So I move on to the next.
Yep.
Question 2, also worth 1 point. In Stanley Kubrick's 2001 Space Odyssey, the monolithic magnetic anomaly called TMA-1 was named after the lunar crater it was found in. What does this T stand for in TMA-1? So I'm after the name of the crater, T. Okay. I'll move on to the next. Question 3, also worth 1 point. The titular Forbidden Planet takes place on the 4th planet orbiting which star in the constellation of Aquila? The titular Forbidden Planet takes place on the 4th planet, orbiting which star in the constellation of Aquila? Well, I'll take a guess on that one. Question 4. 2 points for his full title, and I want the full title. Who is this war-hungry deviant from Mars? So his name, what he's called. Question 5. 1 point for each robot. So 1 point for each. What were the names given to the 3 service robots by Freeman Lowell in the classic environmental disaster film Silent Running? Hopefully you've seen this brilliant film. He named his 3 robots, 2 of which are in the picture, a name. Question 6. 1 point. Which bright northern hemisphere star does Ellie Arroway travel to in Contact? Was it Sirius, B. Rigel, C. Arcturus, or D. Vega? So not one of those. You a clue? Some of them may be in the northern hemisphere, some may not. So sort of help. Question 7, worth 1 point. Which singer took the lead in the 1976 film The Man Who Fell to Earth? There's a picture of the advert there. Which singer took the lead in the 1976 film The Man Who Fell to Earth?
Can you sing a song by him?
Will I sing a song by him? I could sing a song that sounds remarkably like the title of that film. But not the same. I'm not singing anything. I don't want to hurt anybody. Okay, question 8. 2 points for their full title. So I want the name and their full title. Which British physicist was a scientific consultant on Danny Boyle's 2007 film Sunshine? Available on Netflix at the moment. I think it might be Amazon Prime. Which British physicist was a scientific consultant on Danny Boyle's 2007 film Sunshine? Clue, you might have heard him in some of the previous questions. Question 9, 1 point. In which Earth century does the Shatner-era Star Trek series take place? Is it the 23rd century, the 24th century, or the 25th century? So we're talking about the William Shatner-era series, not any of the other ones. And the final question. Which red supergiant star is the Hitchhiker's Guide board prefect from? A, Antares, B, Betelgeuse, commonly known as Beetlejuice, C, Canopus, or D, Deneb? So one of those 4. And only, they may not all be supergiant stars, so you might be able to delete them. Okay. Do you want me to go over any?
The status shock.
Let's find out how badly we did.
Right, let's find out how badly we did then.
I think I got 2.
Question 1. What was the name of this one?
Wally.
Wally.
Wally. So that was an easy one. Question 2. Name of the crater was Tycho.
Tycho.
Yes. Oh, God. Oh, thank you, Simon, for all that training.
Well, I put that one in there, Delu. I thought you might got it if you went to the Museum of the Moon. So it stands for Tycho Magnetic Anomaly 1. Is its full title. Question 3. The answer is Altair in Aquila. Is the star, the planet going around it, the forbidden planet going around it. Question 4. Who am I? Who is he? Does anybody know?
Marvin the Martian.
Marvin the Martian, indeed. So I wanted Marvin and the Martian.
Simon gets points.
Name the service robots, 1 point each.
Is it Huey, Dewey, and Louie?
There they are.
Oh, so it wasn't 1, 2, and 3.
That's the name. We put 1, 2, and 3 because it's on the picture. I may consider giving you a half point for being generous.
So was that yes to a half point?
Yeah,
If you want a half point, you can take a half
I
point.
think it was a
But
half
the actual
point.
names were Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
That's very impressive.
Which bright Northern Hemisphere star does Ellie Arroway travel to in Contact? Was it Sirius, Rigel, Arcturus, or Vega? Any answers?
Arcturus.
Vega.
About Arcturus.
I think it was Vega, wasn't
It was Vega.
Oh, Tony.
it? The only film I've ever watched.
I've watched it as well. Oh no.
There you go. There you go. Question. Which singer took the lead in the 1976 film The Man Who Fell to Earth? Also sang Space Oddity.
David Bowie.
Barry.
David Bowie? Yeah, that was a good enough clue. I was happy with
Man Who
that.
Fell to Earth by
Hey.
David Bowie. Or Bowie. I don't mind how you pronounce it. You still get your points. Which British physicist was scientific consultant on the Danny Boyle film Sunshine? There he
Well,
is.
I've got to.
Fine.
Professor Brian Cox for your 2 points.
Oh, 2 points. Yeah.
If you got the professor,
Yeah.
1 point if you got professor or Brian or Cox.
So if you just put Brian Cox, is that only 1 point?
I did want the full 2 points. I did want professor. So I'll only give you 1 for Brian Cox.
Okay, thank you.
Guess I'm mean now. I've turned mean. In which Earth century does the Shatner-era Trek series take place?
23rd.
23rd. I don't know.
Kirk takes command of the USS Enterprise in 2265, the 23rd century.
Yeah. Was that a point?
Yep. Last one. Anybody guess?
Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice.
I'll accept Beetlejuice if that's what you put.
Yeah.
But B is the answer.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you. You all did very well.
Not